Irshad Bambrana, to be very specific. The two openers in the middle, the striker Muhammad Azharuddin and Parvez Paju, the skipper on the non-strike end. Beg your pardon, Paju on strike to face the first ball from Irshad. Here we go. Great one to start with, straight away, well defended and just picking a single in the very first one.
Muhammad Azharuddin is going to face his first ball here. And Irshad Bambrana.
He's in good form this season. He has been bowling brilliantly. He has come back very well in the last game. Just losing his momentum in the run-up. Right in the slot, but no chance for the batter. Just following the batsman, he is working across and he just follows and delivers right on the money. That is a good sign for Limax riders. What would you call that? Very safe. One bounce to the fielder. At one stage I thought it will clear the boundary rope, but the timing wasn't perfect.
So far so good from Irshad. Just 2 runs conceded from first 3 deliveries. Fourth one is coming. It's to Paju. Very good delivery and equally well played from Paju.
Good effort in the deep, just save certain boundary, just saving 2 runs there. It's 4 on the board now. The fielding effort is going to be crucial in this match as far as the knockout matches are concerned, because you cannot leave any excuses.
Every run is matters here.
Beautiful one. This is what makes it difficult for the batsman to play. Irshad just pulls down his length, and it's the pace is the factor. The X factor in his bowling is the pace. He has started well here. Can he finish in this same fashion here?
Only 5 runs conceded. Last ball is coming. K19 strikers desperately need a boundary here.
Absolutely, this is a tidy start for Limax. That was absolute brilliant one from Irshad, and the first one departs in the form of Azhar. First blow for KA19. This is what Limax riders need from Irshad. Their big man delivers, rise up to the situation and This is outstanding bowling from Irshad when his team needed the most.
I must say that Irshad is a big match.
They need a medical assistance.
Another experienced campaigner, Sadiq Kadawat, walks into the middle for K19 strikers. And Irshad A, the key player of Limax Riders, comes into the attack here.
What I'm impressed with Irshad is his long run-up, very smooth, calm. That takeoff and the release, it's very pleasure to watch him bowl. Very professional cricketing bowling action.
Pajju try for the reverse. The big appeal here. Umpire says no. It's just a dot ball to start the over for Irshad.
That extra ball does the trick. He is going for a reverse sweep, and he was nowhere in a position to hit that over the point fielder. That was a good try, but he was never in a position. There is a shot behind the stumps, but the umpire was very alert. Good decision making. We have to appreciate the effort of the umpires as well. They are keeping on concentrating each and every delivery.
This time lawful toss, straight to the covers fielder. Just a single.
Actually, this is good to rotate the strikes and put pressure on the fielders, keep the fielders busy, and they will get tired very quickly. And it's not easy for the fielders and the bowlers to keep calm the batsmen when they are busy in scoring runs and rotating the strikes.
Sadiq stands for a catch, and the umpire signal out.
And that's been given. That was outside off stump, and that's a perfect line and length outside the off stump. Not a big appeal, but that's certainly a wicket. They were very confident. And the second one goes down for K19 strikers, and Sadiq Kadawat walks back. This is the second one down for K19 strikers. Big blow. They are on certain trouble here. This is great start from these two. Irshad for Limax Riders. Very impressive start. Their dugout should be happy with the performance. The mentor Ziaka is looking very confident, happy with the performance of their boys.
And K19 strikers are in deep trouble here. They lost two frontline batters in the span of 4 deliveries. Big responsibilities in the shoulders of skipper and Shakir here.
The positive here for K19, the skipper is still in the middle. More expectations, more burden, building up, pressure building on Paju now. Irshad, he is having great start yet again. He is performing throughout the tournament. Outstanding performance.
Very good delivery and equally well played for Shakir. Straight away off the mark.
Just guiding it to the short. Third man inside the circle. Off the mark straight away. This is very clean and tidy bowling card from Limax Riders. Irshad Bambrana, who has bowled the first over, just 5 runs with picking up a very crucial wicket of Azhar. Now Irshad already 4 balls, just 2 runs conceded. Very far outside the off stump. That's an extra coming. I think the first one in this disciplined bowling from Limax. They will take it anyway, an extra run. It's always a bonus for the batting team. It takes the score to 8 for the loss of 2 wickets. Desperately, they need some boundary here.
White ball again.
That's a good leave from Shakir. Sorry, that's Paju, the skipper. Nine runs on the board for the loss of 2 wickets. There is 2 more balls to go in this over.
Irshad is targeting that outside the off-stump line for Paju. This time fuller delivery, nicely played by Paju.
Sensible batting from Paju, because he should bat till the end here to take their team to some fighting total. They are a bit down now, losing the early 2 wickets, just second over on progress, and they are already in a back foot now. 10 runs for the loss of 2. Run rate is just below 6. Just pushed to the long on, and Irshad is very quick, is electric in the field always as usual, and that's a very good over from Irshad comes to an end, and that's over number 2 gone, and that's after
We have on Japan Shakir Fan Club Association Secretary Wahid here. He is waiting to some fire from Shakir here.
New ball into the attack from Limax Riders, Tanveer. Hassan Tanveer, not Suhail Tanveer.
I think he is the X factor for Limax Riders. He's been very good so far with bat and ball into tournament.
All-rounders always play a crucial role in shorter formats.
Japan Shakir walks away.
A soft dismissal for Shakir. We have been expecting something big from this man, but unfortunately couldn't make an impact in this game. He has to depart early, and this is third wicket down for KA19 Strikers, and they are in certain trouble.
The girl them skill artist. No make you come here, the one no man but can't tell you one girl make a see when them upon ya. Can't stand for the long now, eat no yam, no see fish, no green banana. But down in Jamaica we give it to you hot like a sauna. Well come on the way this time, all I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature, fit shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom.
Did you notice something in the 3 wickets here? That shows the discipline of this bowling attack. Just one extra in this innings, in the form of I think 2, and 3 caught behind. 3 catches taken by the wicket keeper Chinnu. That shows the disciplined bowling, because they didn't give any chance whatsoever for the batsman. They are going for it, taking his chances, the batsman, and they are back in the hut.
Another very good delivery from Hassan Tanveer. Back of that delivery, outside the off stump. He's maintaining that line here. And Ismail Ashfaq, the new batter, has no chance to touch that ball. Shihab, welcome to the Gazebo Premier League here.
Straight away going for a big hit, should be taken, fielder getting under it, and that's well judged and brilliant catch from the fielder. He never missed such. He's a brilliant fielder, and yet again the 4-1 departs for KA19 Strikers. This is tremendous. Brilliant. Absolute pitch of a delivery. This is back to back. Back of a length.
Welcome, Mr. Shabir Ali.
That extra josh in the fielding side, I think this is some extra motivation from their mentor. This is again, this is back to back. This is not easy to keep that line and length, keeping himself calm in this crucial match.
That's some bowling from Hassan Tanveer here. 4 deliveries, wicket, dot, wicket, dot. 2 more to go. So 5 deliveries already completed. K19 strikers are in deep trouble here. Only 11 runs scored from first 2.5 overs and 4 wicketers gone.
This is some outstanding bowling from Hassan Tanveer. And that's a 2-wicket maiden from Tanveer in this crucial knockout match. Over Irshad, whenever the skipper gives him the second over, he has delivered it.
And the skipper is targeting that skipper wicket here. That's why he brings his main man Irshad Bumrane into the attack.
Jersey number 18. Some field settings.
And the batting power play is on here.
He is going to be keeper still. Right in the slot and punished. This is what he can do. This is why he is dangerous.
Dale 1, 2, 3 pa' abajo. 1, 2, 3 pa' abajo. 1 pa' abajo, 2 pa' abajo.
That's a good vocab you can use for Mr. Sawad. Tower 6. He's towering a 6 because that is as tall as a tower, a skyscraper.
Some discussions are going on the middle for Limax. This man, Paju, is very dangerous.
It's the right thing from Irshad and the wicket keeper, giving some guidance when the bowler loses his rhythm and his concentration. The ball is traveling over the rope and there is some field adjustments done. What do you think of it? Is he gonna come back very strong here?
Irshad is capable for that.
K19 strikers will be happy if Paju goes through to bat till the end of this innings. Still halfway of the innings now. Plenty of deliveries to come.
This is how champion players coming back. Straight away. No chance for the batter. Dot ball.
He's capable of doing this, but I think he has been trying to hit the wickets because he is the most dangerous one in the middle. So if we can get rid of him, Paju, they are right back in the game. This is almost their game if we can get him. But unfortunately, he is punished.
Shot again. It's a cracking sixer from Parvez Paju.
That is very, very flat. And the same result, 6 more, 6.6. What's gonna be next?
It's going to be an interesting battle between ball and bat here.
Already 12 runs coming from the first 3.
And Paju taking all advantages of the batting power play here.
Some cameo from Parvez now.
Nicely bowled again from Irshad. And more importantly, Paju off the strike. They have some relax here.
But that is okay from the view of K19 strikers because they have already hit 2 big sixes. Already 13 coming from the first 4. They have 2 more to play with. At least keep him safe from for the last 2 overs because he is very dangerous, Irshad.
And this is the time to rise up for Inayatullah. 2 deliveries in this batting power plays left for him.
Paju will be looking to play till the end of this innings. 2 more overs, but never forget the other bowler for Limax. He did a brilliant job in the previous match. Afraz, he was the man of the match. It was a pick of the bowler in the previous one. Going for a pull shot. No timing at all. Very safe. And very good run in between the wickets. Paju is very quick. He has already completed the run and Inayatullah is halfway completing his 2nd run. He's very quick. Batting almost 4 overs now. 2 towering sixes. And still he's very quick between the wickets.
Last ball of the batting power play here.
Good comeback from Irshad after that 2 sixes in the first 3. Now conceding only 3 to 4 runs in the final 3. And that's end of over number 4. And that is 27 for the 27 after 4, 12 more to come. What do you think? It's a par score here.
It's very difficult here, 27. They need at least 25-30 runs from here. From the next 12 deliveries, Parvez Paju is the key.
Something around 60, because this is a pressure match. You cannot consider it like a league match here. This is a pressure match, so anything is a fighting total, but they will be happy something around 60, because they had a very poor start in the beginning of the innings. Now in form of Ross, he is the man of the match in the previous match.
First ball. This is what Inayatullah's role here. Give maximum strike to Parvez Paju.
Limax, they will never mind such. This is a silly single, just rotating the strike. They won't mind. They won't just restrict them to 50 odd runs, not concede any boundaries. Now Paju on strike. Let's see. It's interesting now. Afraz to Paju.
Down the track, try for a big hit. Completely misses. This very good bowling from Afraz here.
Very impressive. Very, very impressive, because Paju is looking in great touch. I think he has gained some confidence from the previous match.
Paju sings hard, out of the park. That's huge sixer from Paju.
That was so handsome. Free flow of the bat, right in the slot, right in the hitting area for Paju.
They say she needs to slow down. The baddest thing around town.
Is electric for his team, the captain of Limax Riders. You can see him very calm in the corner, but whenever his team is bowling needs a guidance, he is very quick. Great comeback. Great comeback. That one misses from the line from Afraz, and that's been punished, and he has been come back very strongly. The score is 35 now.
Parvez Paju needs some support from other end here. He's having captain's knock here. 25 runs from 12 deliveries, but at least needs some support from other end.
Lonely warrior for K19 strikers. Beautiful shot. Should be a 6. And that's caught in the boundary line. He is very tall, his shot. That is the advantage when you have a tall fielder on the boundary. But unfortunately, no power enough.
He has the elevation, he has the but he has the distance there. The last ball of the over.
And that tall man in the deep, it will be very easy. Any man very tall in the boundary line. That pace and bounce But unfortunately, the fielder cannot restrict it.
And here is a different scenario. Bhavesh Bajju is in a great touch here.
Batting on 25 from just 13. 3 rocketing sixes.
Bajju sings again, 6 again. What a classic shot that was.
He looks.
What a nice way to start the final over. Fast ball sixer. 5 more to go.
He makes the batting look so easy in this match. Other batsmen are troubling, but he's on a roll here. 31 from 14, 4 huge sixes. Definitely the bowler will be under pressure. That's so obvious. You bowl a far wider delivery, just trying to keep it inside the line, but that's called wide. He's so desperate to make it a legal delivery, trying to find a dot ball in this final over. Each and every delivery going to be crucial from now. Full toss, very lucky indeed, but one bounce over the rope.
Fire.
That's 50 comes up for K19 Strikers with that boundary. He's doing the right thing, putting pressure back on the bowler. His heart is pumping now. I can hear it, maybe. It should be cut off, and that's very quick in the field, always electric in the field. The throw wasn't perfect, but that was a very quick fielding effort from Irshad. just covering a big distance from that extra cover region through the boundary line and just very quick onto the ball, restricting the batsman to trying to restrict to only a single.
It's very good running between the wicket from Paju and Rafnaz, and K19 strikers dugout is so animated now. They got some hopes from here.
He's gaining back the strike as well. Still on strike, Paju is batting on 37 from just 16 odd deliveries. This is absolute stunner from Paju, the skipper. An innings of a skipper. Great comeback. Just deceiving the batsman. Just deceived, completely deceived. This is a very good comeback.
2 more deliveries to go in this final over.
This is the penultimate delivery of this innings. Let's see what's going to happen in the next 2, the last 2. Pressure, everywhere pressure. Right in the slot, but no protection in the deep. That's through the infield circle.
From 18 deliveries with 4 huge sixer and 2 boundaries. Last ball of the over.
56 on the total board, 41 from the skipper. Absolutely a carnage from the skipper. Can he finish it in style, the same fashion? Boom! And that should be taken. It's shot into the... Oh, a bit of fumble. He has dropped it. He has dropped it. Not a drop catch, but they have conceded 2 for that. Each and every run is crucial, and they would be very, very happy, K19 strikers, because they had a slow start in the beginning, and you have to put your hands up for Welcome to the chase here. This is going to be very interesting. Shakir going to be the key in the bowling lineup. And Irshad, the opener for Limax, he is looking in tremendous touch throughout the tournament. One of the leading run getter is in tremendous form throughout. A quick fired 49, 40, 20s. A happy news for football fans in Qatar. KSL Diwa KSL organized by Diwa Kasaragod to be conducted in the last week of October. The players who are interested, you can just follow the link available and you can register your names for the tournament.
October last. Football match.
ഫുട്ബോൾ ആരാധകർക്ക് ഒരു സന്തോഷ വാർത്ത. ഒക്ടോബർ അവസാന വാരം ദിവ കാസർഗോഡ് സംഘടിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ദിവ KSL നടത്തപ്പെടാൻ വേണ്ടി തീരുമാനിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു. സീസൺ 2 താല്പര്യമുള്ള ഫുട്ബോൾ കളിക്കാർ KSLന്റെ ലിങ്കിലൂടെ അവരുടെ പേരുകൾ രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. KSL Season 2 presented by Diwa Kasaragod. Ismail Ashfaq, this is a flat full toes. Very quick one, very quick between the wickets. That's a very good goal from the non-striker Irshad. Very calm, quiet start for the start of the innings. Just 2 runs from the first 2. 59 is their target. It's never be easy. Have a very good bowling lineup. Shakir from KA19 and Irshad from Limax is going to be the key in this chase. They need him throughout the innings, at least bat till the end. Irshad. That's a top edge and fielder getting under it. Almost a catch. He pulled out a stunner. Almost he pulled out.
It's been excellent effort from the fielder. He knows the importance of this wicket. Irshad. It's slow, steady start for Limax Riders. 4 runs from first 3 deliveries of power play. 3 more to go. And this man, Irshad, he's in great touch throughout this tournament. He's the leading run scorer here. Again, low full toss. This time, very good play from Irshad. 4 runs. Paju brings his main man into the attack. Shakir Japan. Irshad try for a reverse, but no runs there. Just dot ball to start the over for Shakir Japan. 50 runs required from 29 deliveries. That's the equation here.
ഖത്തറിലുള്ള ഫുട്ബോൾ ആരാധകർക്ക് ഒരു സന്തോഷ വാർത്ത. ദിവ കാസർഗോഡ് സംഘടിപ്പിക്കുന്ന That's a big blow. Huge wicket for KA19 strikers. They are electric in the field now. They are surprised. They are excited. This is a big fish. Big fish back in the hut.
Hassan Tanveer, the informed batter, walks into the middle for Limax Riders, and this man, Shakir Japan, the big match player, he delivers a breakthrough for his team. Straight away, the big man Irshad departs.
ദിവ കാസർഗോഡ് സംഘടിപ്പിക്കുന്ന കാസർഗോഡ് സോക്കർ ലീഗ് ഒക്ടോബർ 28 നടത്തപ്പെടാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. ഈ ഒരു മാമാങ്കത്തിൽ കാസർഗോഡ് നിന്നുള്ള പ്രഗത്ഭരായ ഫുട്ബോൾ താരങ്ങൾക്ക് പങ്കെടുക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. ഇതിനായി താല്പര്യമുള്ള കളിക്കാർ അതിനായി സൗകര്യപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുള്ള ലിങ്കിലൂടെ അവരുടെ പേരുകൾ രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്യുക.
It's very good delivery again from Shakir. Just a single. Hassan Tanveer off the mark. It's been very good over so far. From first 3 deliveries, just 1 run and a wicket.
The dugout of Limax Riders are very tense now. They're on the edge of their seat. They cannot sit properly, especially the supporters. For Limax, the mentor is looking very tensed.
Now Shakir to Afraz. Full length delivery again.
That's very well played. That's a good shot from Afraz. That's a shot of a man in form. That was very unfortunate for Irshad. He couldn't connect that one and clear the fielder inside the circle just to clear the man and get a boundary for that. That's why he's going to be very crucial, Shakir, for KA19 strikers. They are now back in the game. The second over from Shakir is doing some trick for KA19 strikers. Just 2 runs conceded with that big wicket. Clean ball. The stumps are disturbed. He couldn't believe it. Tanveer slowly walking back. He never expected this one. That was right in the block hole. When you hear any product from Japan, you cannot doubt its quality. Any Japanese, it will be outstanding in the quality. You can see the quality of the yoke length from Shake. That's why he is known as Japan Shake.
The Japanese boy on fire here. 5 deliveries, 2 runs and 2 important wickets. The significant wickets of Irshad and Hassan Tanveer.
He's playing a Bumrah here. Shake. Block. Beautiful shot from Chindo. He has been.
After completion of 2 overs, Limax Riders 12 for 2.
Boosting on. Shafiq is the new bowler in the attack. Paju is having some minor adjustments in the field. This is going to be a crucial partnership for Limax Riders. Siddiq Chino, and there is Afraz, the man in form, on the other end.
The skipper Pajju is so animated here. He uses all his experience in this chase.
There is some interesting tactics. Shakir is a leading wicket taker now, joint leading wicket taker with Irshad Bamrana. 8 wickets each. They are fighting in this knockout match as well. Brilliantly played from Chino. They need him till the end of his innings and take his team over the line.
Now 46 runs required from 3.5 overs. The chase is getting hard now for Limax. They need some big hits from here.
Absolutely. This is going to be very tough. When you take into the point the big wicket of Irshad, there is some big relief here. There is the presence of Afraz, but what a tournament he is having, Shakir. Going for a big shot, and that is very well bowled. No much pace in that, but that was so good enough.
Required run rate is climbing up after all dot deliveries here.
Can see that one man, Paju, the captain, always alert, talking to his team.
It's very proactive, captain.
Leading with an example. Just a brilliant batting display now. Keeping his players engaged and busy. You cannot be out of the game at any point. That is a silence dug out from the Limax riders.
And Muhammad Afras, he's under pressure here. Slower ball again, big swing and a miss. Just a single in the leg bias. Now 45 more runs required from 21 deliveries. 45 from 21.
It's not a big score in this ground, 45 from 21. Some big hits, 2 big overs will do.
One big over for Limax riders will change the equation. Chinnu KSD is capable for that. Back of the deck delivery, straight to the fielder. Just a single. One more run added to the scorecard.
Going for a big shot yet again. Getting away with that bowler. That was almost in the slot. Going for a big shot. The keeper and the bowler going for it. Landed very safely between the two. No damage done. Over number 3 goes, and that's 16 for the loss of 2 wickets.
The pin drop silence in the dugout of Limax riders here. 43 runs required from 18 deliveries. And Shakir Japan back into the attack. This is a crucial over in this chase. Can Afras tackle this Yorkers of Shakir Japan here?
There is an advantage. He's a left-handed batsman. It's not always easy to bowl to a left-hand, right-hand combination. He couldn't find his rhythm in this innings. They need just to start off the fireworks. Then it will be a different story. Once again, right in the block hole. This time outside the off stump.
What an absolute bowling performance from Shakir Japan. It's an absolute triple. No chance for the batter.
It's not only disturbing the batter, but the keeper as well. See, the man behind the wickets with the gloves is on trouble.
I hope Baju is well there. An interesting match is coming up next. Isha Gladiators versus Waltech Strikers. And Isha Gladiators won the toss and elected to field first.
It was a good shot. It's never easy to hit that one because it's a low full toes coming at a good pace. Just finding it difficult to find the right timing.
I think pace is the key for Shakir here. He has good space and he always try to bowl at fuller length deliveries.
He's very not accurate. He's very precise. More than accuracy.
And another very good delivery from Shakir. Dot ball again.
Unbelievable effort this is. You cannot keep so tight every now and then. You will lose the concentration, but he is keeping himself calm and composed and just focusing on that length. Going for a big shot again. And that's well taken by the wicket keeper Paju. At last, Chinnu has been dismissed. This is his third wicket down for Limax Riders.
Rifan Habib, the new batter, comes into the middle. And look at that figures, 1.4 over, just 4 runs conceded for 3 wickets. Shakir Japan is on a mission here. 2 more to go in this over. Yorker again. Dot again. The same story, same result. And here is a happy news for Shakir. He is the leading wicket taker in this tournament so far. And this time, low full toss through the covers. The couple of runs added to the scorecard of Limax Riders. After completion of 4 overs, Limax Riders 19 for the loss of 3 wickets. You can see Parvez Paju. He was standing non-striker and seeing 4 wickets falling in front of him. And he stayed strong. And he came back very strongly. That's what you need in this stockage, this type of matches. You need that type of pressure.
The new man Siraj to join Rifan. Just throw your bat at it and he will get a boundary. They will never mind. Just 2 big hits, it will make the match again alive. Just keep themselves very cool and calm and keeping the length and the line very tidy. Very disciplined bowling action. They are not giving anything extra. Nothing free. Just inviting the batsman, go for it. This is a juicy full toss and should travel over the rope, and that's a biggie. Very welcome boundary. That's 10 runs already from this over. The score is moving to 29. will be interesting. Bowling, one more dismissal, one more wicket down. See the skipper himself walking in the middle. It's almost now the KA19 Strikers game. Irfan back. Saeed is the new man. "26 from 3. This is now their game. K19 Strikers they need to do is just finish the proceedings, complete the formalities, just bowl 3 legal deliveries and you will take the game back home. That was an outstanding clinical performance with a bat and ball. It was a saggy start from KA19 Strikers, but they have come back very well, leading with an example. Paju, that's unbeaten 43, and then now leading from the front in the field as well. He has used his bowlers very well. That was a pure cricket shot from Irshad outside the off stump, just clearing the man in the circle, getting his first boundary straight up in the first ball, but it's too late. That was a tough chase for Limax. They were not in the game in any circumstances in the chase. They started off very well by the bowling attack and then they lost the momentum. The skipper of KA19 just took the game away, literally took the game away from Limax. That you see the leading with an example. To stand there and deliver behind the wickets, in the crease, in the strike, anywhere. Paju, you are the man, you are the hero of the match. Remarkable, and you cannot forget the man with the golden arm, Shakir, picking up 2. He is the